Hello everyone, I'm at the Electric Expo 2022, Valley Forge Casino. I'm here to get some content on products and tools new to the market. I will see you guys in there.
And you have a timeline, right? So, here, let me give you guys a ticket. Can we scan you?
Different fittings.
Okay, come on. Oh, man.
Get some of my emails.
All right. I guess I can't scan this thing.
Later saving this
Can't figure it out. All right?
Yep.
My loss.
Stop that.
Stop that, please, but you need a ticket anyway.
Pretty cool. Sub-meter.
Yep. You're welcome.
How's it going, sir?
Hey, what's going on?
Just checking out, you know.
Yep, some power metering.
Okay.
Right? Can't manage what you don't measure.
Awesome, thank you.
Thank you.
How's it going, sir?
What you got there?
This is GoPro, so I'm on, YouTube, just trying to get some good content. So everyone with an electric car, here you go.
The more tickets you get, you hand them in at the end, they're going to scan your bag, and that's how many entries you get to win.
Got a repair kit for underground?
Yeah, repair kit for underground. So anytime, like if you with the excavator you hit a PVC pipe and the wire is inside of it, you don't want to pull out everything, right? So it comes in two parts. You just remove your PVC part that is broken. You took this one, so put that on the top, apply some solvent cement. That's it.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah, save a lot of time, by the way.
You guys have a business card?
Yeah, not me, but
okay. Now, can you order this stuff online or?
No, we have a couple of distributors around here, which I don't really know. I'm more like the expert on the product.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Right.
How much are they about a bowl? Are they cheaper than the...
Retail is going to be, they're a little bit cheaper than the home copy. It depends on the wattage, but I would say the 45 is probably going to be 70, maybe less. Depends on what you're buying.
Probably still cheaper than changing a whole head.
Exactly, yeah, the whole fixture is definitely cheaper than changing the whole fixture.
Thank you.
You guys have like a retrofitting?
Yeah. What's that?
How's it going?
Good.
You guys are doing like retrofitting here? Or?
We do we do everything from ceiling fans to fixtures to fan brace, kind of all over the place.
Anything new you guys have? Or?
What's the newest stuff you got here?
Like a ceiling, I guess, for closet light?
Motion closet light, that's kind of new. These are kind of new, the filament style HID replacements.
Okay, so you don't have to replace the whole housing.
Exactly, and it looks better than those corn cobs, and it'll fit in the
okay, and how much do they usually run?
Depends on the wattage and whatnot, but they're around the same price as a corn cob now.
Okay.
So, a little more than an HID, but they're going to last a lot longer.
Last a lot longer,
yeah. Okay. What else is new? Yeah, just if you go on our website, everything. I mean, that's obviously updated more frequently than the catalogs, but we actually have here's probably the newest thing is Wi-Fi smart fans.
Okay.
So about 5 or 6 SKUs. Where you can adjust them through your phone instead of having to get the remote and the wall control and whatnot.
How much does that usually run?
What, the fan?
Yeah.
Depends on the style. I think they're probably around, if you look on Amazon, they might be around like high 200s.
Okay.
Maybe, depending on the style.
You can get everything off Amazon?
Not everything. Fixtures and fans we do really good on Amazon. I think we're like one of the top 5 ceiling fans on Amazon.
Okay.
Lamps and stuff, more electrical distribution, local channels.
Awesome, thank you. Appreciate it. Mind if I take them?
Go ahead.
Cool, thank you.
It's less for me to carry.
Different LED strip lights.
Because over time, I mean, there's a ton of cheap stuff on Amazon.
Well, guess what? This is Bluetooth. You have friends and family this
Different colors changing. You guys can see that, but these are actually green.
I am not
Showing up on the camera.
Who texted me? Nice. You sold me. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
You got a scanner or no?
You know what's scanner? I voiced it at the end. We're going to collect your tickets and get you that grill. Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
How's it going?
Got all sorts of fun.
Excuse me, one second.
YouTube shirt.
Yeah.
You're this and you're that.
Yep.
And you're
Alyssa.
built on consistency now. Hi.
Downlight. Sorry. He's buying Luminary
Yeah.
on Amazon, but he said he priced our stuff and obviously less expensive. What's our downlight ballpark? The Spectrum Plus downlight through
For 6
distribution.
inch?
Yeah.
Through distribution, like $40.
40? Yeah, so that wasn't horrible.
How much do they usually run?
These guys are sconces.
Yeah.
So retail, this is gonna run you about $130 or so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Even for these little guys too?
These guys are, so there's more components to that because they're low voltage. So you need a power supply,
Okay.
you need in-ground rated connectors, all sorts of stuff. But they break down, like just for the fixture, to be about $50 a piece.
That actually ain't bad.
What kind of projects do you work on?
What's you say?
What kind of projects do you work on?
What's you say? I'm sorry.
What kind of projects do you work on?
I'm a commercial electrician, but I do.
I love that you record this so you can go back.
What's up?
Then you can go back.
Yeah. Well, I started a YouTube channel, so I own my own company as well on the side. So I'm trying to, do everything I can on the
Yeah.
thing. So.
Super cool.
But I will be, showcasing some work on there. So. Mind if I take a?
Please.
Can I order everything online or? Oh, okay.
You can order it online. You can also order it locally, whether it be Billows, Colonial, Denny, and the like.
Can I go to the website and order it? Or?
Not on our website, but there's a couple of e-commerce customers where you can get it. You can't buy direct from us on Amazon. There's some third parties on there. But ProLighting.com is a good one, and also they have a 10% discount on their shopping cart if you were to order it there. That's not applied until you check out, but it's for all American lighting.
Okay. And how much do they usually run tape lighting?
So the tape light, it definitely varies. If you want RGB, all the way down to RGB TW, which is full RGB plus tunable white, 27,6000K.
Okay.
So I also have a bunch of different white light here that starts at about 100 lumens per foot, goes all the way up to 1100 lumens per foot. So depending on what you want, you're going to be anywhere from about $5 a foot all the way up to $25 a foot, depending on how intense you want to get on technology, on light output, on optics, and the like.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Have a good day.
You too.
You guys want some art flash shoots? Hey, how are you? Don't worry, you're not in it.
It's all right.
How you guys doing today?
I'm doing well. What kind of work you do?
I'm a commercial electrician and try to get on the YouTube and get some content. And, I do a lot of side work, so everything I try to do on the side, I try to record and put on YouTube.
That's great.
So a lot of products I can use. You guys sell the gloves at all?
Yeah, we do. So we have a line of PPE products. So we do 12 cal suits, 40 cal suits, and we have a line of gloves, aught and double lock gloves.
Now, I tried ordering a pair, but it took like, I don't remember what I saw online. It was like 6 months wait.
Oh no, we got them. We got them in stock.
And what's the website? I guess Eaton.com.
What's that?
You guys what's the website? Eaton?
Yeah, I mean, you want to go through an authorized distributor, authorized busman. So if you have a busman distributor, just go to the busman distributor and they get it for you. So that's a brochure and all of our PPE. Our gloves are inside there, so you're welcome to take that if you want.
Cool, thank you.
And then happy to get you some.
Yeah. Thank you. Smoke alarms. String,
Yeah, stuff to build on, so it's gotten better.
Hello.
How you doing?
How's it going, boss?
Pretty good.
How's it going?
I'm Sam.
Joe. Nice to meet you.
What do you do?
So I do both. I'm an electrician and just got onto the YouTube. And,
Okay.
so everything.
Residential?
I do both. I'm a commercial electrician, but on the side I do a lot of residential.
Okay. So we do both. We're actually an integrator. We're not a manufacturer.
Okay.
So different. Most people are manufacturers. We're probably the only integrator here showcasing. We work with electricians because they often get asked to do stuff that they don't want to do. On the commercial, it's access control, it's surveillance, it's security, it's commercial fire. So we'll do a smart some parts, or you bring us in and do the electrical. Say I have a partner who can do the other stuff, and we do it all day long. On the residential, we do everything from basic security and structure all the way up to full home automation with control floor. So home theaters, AV, motorized seating and lighting.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can I buy everything from you, or I have to go through like Colonial or Villas?
I mean, I guess theoretically, you could buy it for me. If you do a Smarts and Parks, we could do the programming. You could have us do the programming and mounting the equipment. You guys could get the equipment, run the wire, and we come in after the fact and, service it and do it after the fact.
Okay.
Yeah. We do about 500-600 homes and buildings a year.
So how much would that run? I guess for like a home.
Depends how big the system is.
Okay.
Right? I mean, I couldn't tell you. We're talking 4 doors, 4 cameras, security, or maybe 20 grand, right?
Okay.
I mean, if we were doing the whole thing,
Right.
if we're splitting it up, it's a piece, part of that.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is you?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Do you have a card, or can I take your information?
You can. Joe Schmidt.
What's your email?
Joey Schmidt. Sorry.
It's all good, man.
We're at the Panasonic booth.
You got nothing to worry about. You don't know what it's there for. If you lose it,
Whisper fan.
now you can go around and flip the bracelet for the generator. Do whatever. Not going to beat them on a night like you guys are going to do that very future, but on the USB, the thing you can your home, you can set a scene when you're shutting it off on the USB. Instead of facing power, you say, hey, you go, hey, it goes in here, with one swipe, you set up a scene, and 20 USBs goes down for 8 months. I don't know how much you're saving them, but it's a couple hundred, kind of the end of it.
I just like all the different options.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You got it. Enjoy the show, guys.
How's it going, boss?
Good, yourself?
Can't complain.
Yeah, they all know me there.
Where were you? What's going on with the Whisper Air?
All right. So this is Whisper Air Repair. Ends up going in with a 6-inch to 6 1/4-inch grill. You can do old work or new work. So all you have to do is do a 6 to 6 1/4, 6 3/8 hole saw. You slide that up in. You can do constant wiring, feed in and out. We gave you an in and out jack on that. You got loose wires inside, and this is 9 CFM, and all it's doing is emitting what's called an OH radical, similar to ionization, but a little bit different. And this will treat odors, viruses, mold, and bacteria within 100 to 200 square foot.
Wow.
So if you're looking at 100 square foot, that would treat it in 2 to 8 hours, depending on what you're trying to treat. If you're looking at 200 square feet, 8 to 24 hours, depending on what you're trying to treat. We ended up testing this at ETL. We put staph infection at 12 touch points, and after 24 hours, we inhibited staph infection by 95%.
Wow.
So it's not only treating the air, but treating the surface as well.
And how much would one of these run you?
You'll be able to pick that up at the distributor for an electrical, mechanical distributor. You should be looking at that, and then no more than 190 at most. And super easy. Old work, you'd be able to tap right off the smoke alarm circuit. Uses 0.04 amps and 4 watts. So very efficient, very low draw, and constant run. And if and when it ever fails, and years down the road, there'll be an LED amber warning light, so you know you need to replace the unit.
Okay, so it runs 24/7.
24/7.
Okay.
And it will help you fight the litter box, the smelly dog, COVID, you name it. It'll help you across the board.
I like it. Is this something new on the market?
This has been out in the market for about a year now.
Okay.
Been around the world for 7 years, new in the US for about a year. We've got the same technology in hair dryers, mini splits, cars, planes. It's Nano EX technology.
Awesome. Thank you.
You got it. Thank you.
This guy.
Now, can I buy your products direct or from a supplier?
Supplier, SC Products right here. You get a couple questions for you.
Yes, sir.
How you guys doing?
So, can I buy this stuff from you or
No, through
distributor?
distributors. Only through distributors.
Okay.
Yeah, all the locals here have it. Gray Bar, Wesco, Billows, Colonial.
Now, what's new on the market? Or
Say it again?
all this new on the market? Or?
No, it's been out for a little while, but we just keep adding parts to it.
Okay.
Our transition coupling line, so we basically take our reamer bits, ream out the PVC, and then I can drop in PVC to rigid, EMT, squeeze, any kind of configuration coming through the slab that you want.
It works out.
Save you a ton of money.
And how much would that run in this drill bits or something?
11.50, $12.
Okay. Thank you.
It's going to save you a ton of money instead of notching concrete. Then after you notch it, what do you got to do? You got a thin coat around it to clean it up.
You guys residential?
So what you do is you take my reamer bits, you cut off your stub ups, you ream out the PVC, then you glue, drop in place, and you're done. I never had to notch concrete to get a fitting on the outside diameter of the pipe. We invented that years ago.
Sorry, boss.
It's a good place. How you doing?
What's up, boss?
If I can help you with anything, let me know.
Thank you. Just checking out.
Yeah, go ahead. Absolutely.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome. Just wired into a breaker, and it takes about a month or so. It just starts selling.
Mine's the only one that has a UL listing on every product. You use those quite a bit. Took me 17 years to get the classifications. I do some big jobs. What kind of work do you got? I save on time. I'll save guys a lot of money on
It's good to know.
My favorite booth right here. doing?
You have the best idea, by the way. What is that?
Big fat wires. Things that make it more narrow, long, so you can get in between those spaces.
Yeah.
You got your light teeth.
Favorite local distributor
Goes up as quickly as possible. You got your advanced circuitration, it goes down 3, 4, 5 feet, depending on what kind of density you're looking for. The wire does not have to be energized for it to find it.
Well,
Find it.
How much does that run you?
It's on the market for about $225.
$225?
Yeah, that's about the most you'll pay for it.
That's it?
Yep.
A lot of them are cheap. Yeah, a lot of them are.
So what do you just stick it on the end of the wire?
Yep.
they don't like going in.
Batteries are plugged into an outlet. So I give you a trace out like a light source or something like this.
So I will bring all these. You guys can take a look at them privately. And then we'll talk about what you need. Talk about
So it takes 4 But the OD is the same as he's filming everything. So the OD is the same as he comes PVC. So we need to fix those shoes or
What type of work do you do most?
What's that?
What type of work do you do most?
Commercial and residential.
Commercial and residential?
I'm a commercial electrician and I do residential on the side.
Okay.
Pretty much everything I use on the side, I try to document and put on YouTube and products.
Well, have you seen this product?
I have not.
So when you're doing outdoor weatherproof, the typical outdoor weatherproof switch would look like this, right? It has that lever. This is an outdoor weatherproof switch that makes it look like a Decora, right? So on the back side of it, that's a rubber seal. So you can see what happens when you trigger it. What happens? That triggers the Decora switch that's in the box.
Okay.
Okay.
So you have to use the Decora with the Decora, pretty much.
Right. So you're gonna have your box in the wall.
Yep.
Your Decora switch in the wall, right in the box. This goes over it, and then it comes in gray, white, and bronze. It comes in 3-gang, 2-gang, 2-gang, and single.
And how much do they usually run you?
Good. I'm on my way back to Jersey.
I don't have the supply house. Hey,
What's up, Bill?
how are you?
Good.
Good.
I can't order this direct through you, then I have to go through the store.
You'd have to go through the supply house.
Okay. Awesome, thank you.
Yep.
So yeah, if you feel the inside of this conduit here, it's very smooth. You can pull wire through it very easily. Run all your same poly water and different lubricants.
So now what's this, just for entering the building, or?
So we run, our pipe is the kind of pipe that you run wires through to bring electricity to the buildings. A lot of that wiring is run underground, so these elbows typically, we use them as turnups. So you'll have wire being run underground in PVC typically, and then you'll need to bring it up to the surface somehow to access it, get it into buildings. And that's where people typically buy these elbows, just to connect to the standard PVC lines for couplings. And then just because it's so smooth and so easy, the bins won't give you the same problems that PVC bins will give you. Sometimes they'll burn through, sometimes they'll just warp over time. Fiberglass is a little bit more solid. And
Now is this cheaper than the PVC or what?
On 4-inch, we're about $1 cheaper on the straight pipe. The fiberglass elbow is going to be more expensive than a PVC elbow, but significantly cheaper than steel. And if you burn through your PVC elbow, you wish you would have spent the extra money. We got guys pulling 11, 12, 1,500 feet, no burn through.
Okay.
You can concrete encase, direct bury. So we go down to 3/4 up to 8-inch, just normal, you know, bell end and spigot, 2-part epoxy, just like putting together a stick pipe. You can feel how smooth it is. Yeah.
So this is the epoxy?
Yep, it's just a dual part 1-to-1. It's a little caulk gun. Just put it on the male spigot in and drive it home.
It's pretty much like the bolt into the building?
Yes. Okay. Yep. Outside plant, tower in. Yep.
What's the smallest you guys go down to?
We go down to 3/4.
Okay.
Yep. And we, like all the normal fittings you would see with a PVC line, you can get with our product. So, box connectors, termination fittings, female threaded adapters. This is all MPT thread, so we can transition to and from, you know, fiberglass to rigid, or, you know, a box with a hub on it. Yeah.
Is this new to the market or something? Or?
No, we've been making this since the early 80s. We're in Springfield, Ohio.
Okay.
Everything's manufactured in Springfield and shipped out of there.
Okay. Do I have to order through a supplier, I guess?
Yeah, well, I mean, we deal with most of the local distributors like Cooper, Kindle, Gray Bar, CEDs. Yep.
Billows.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. Billows. Yep.
And how much is it a foot, you said? Like I said, let's say 3/4.
3/4 was still pretty expensive. So on 4-inch, this is our standard raw product. So on 4-inch, today we're still a bit cheaper than Schedule 40 PVC. But when you get to 2-inch and below, then we become more expensive than PVC. Okay. So even down on 2-inch, we're still like $3-4 a foot.
So this is all for direct burial only?
No. So direct burial, concrete encase. We do a lot of bridge attached conduit systems for PennDOT and Pennsylvania Turnpike, for PICO, SEPTA jobs, all over the state. Bridge installations is really where it shines, just because it's so lightweight. It's easier for access and hanging if you're like in a boom or a bucket truck. So it really.
So this is replacing the rigid part.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
But you know, post COVID, when PVC just we started to get a lot more inquiries to put it in the ground.
Okay.
So it's approved for above or below ground use.
Okay.
Through UL. Yep.
Awesome. Thank you.
Cool, man.
That.
Yep.
You have a good one. You too, man. Pretty cool. How's it going, sir?
How's it going? What is an industry affiliate exactly? Are you an influencer? Is that what you're doing?
Yeah, well, so I'm an electrician as well, but I just try to get onto the YouTube, making some content. So I'm a commercial electrician.
Sweet.
And then do residential on the side.
You using any software? We have, so our company, we've got like 8,000 contractors using this, most of them electricians globally. We're looking for more and more influencers here in the States to figure out like how we spread the word of what we do.
Okay, and what do you guys do?
So we're software helping you run your business. So everything from scheduling, project management, service, invoicing, all the way until you push to QuickBooks.
Okay.
Yeah, it's great software built for electricians. Be able to do estimating directly out of here. One place to do it all.
Simpro.
Yeah.
Okay.
Australian company originally. I'm the VP of sales. I run sales for North America. I'm based in St. Louis, but we've got I don't know, close to 1,000 contractors using this in the States.
Okay.
How big's your company?
Awesome. Thank you. Awesome. You'll definitely be in the video then.
This is the FSP. That is relationships that we can chip away out of
Sorry.
Hold on.
Service coming in to a bulk.
It's a little bit different because what this gives you this indicator light on it.
2-3-inch 5.
Once it hits yellow, you're done. You move to the next one.
10 there it is?
Yep.
Cool. Come on, go take a...
Yeah, help yourself.
Thank you.
I saw.
How you doing, sir?
I'm Bud Gary, Oakview Associates. Joe, who you with?
Doing my own thing today.
Is that right? Good
Yes,
for
sir. Yeah, so I'm a commercial electrician. I do residential on the side.
Okay.
And then I do trying to get into the YouTube. So just trying to figure out, come here, video everything, what's going on, new products or whatever.
Right. Good for you.
What's going on with the tape?
Well, we have two main distributors. Here, take this with you.
Okay.
There's a cross-reference in the back. And this is the same thing, but it's just a handheld job.
Okay.
We compete with 3M very well.
Okay.
And it's the only line that actually competes SKU for SKU with 3M. If you're talking resi or light commercial, you know, I don't know how much tape we're actually using, but keep this in mind.
Okay.
United Electric or Denny Electric, if you're doing any business, they both stock ton of tape.
Okay. Definitely keep it in mind. I think our company uses, I think they go with 3M, but I know they switched to a new brand. With
That 186 or whatever
it's like, it's weird. But
it's not getting a very good reception from what I hear.
Yeah. No, it's kind of, I don't want to say that, but, you have a good one.
Friday nights are even better with bourbon.
I might try it out now.
Oh, there you go. How's it going today?
How you doing, sir?
Hey, we'll see you again, buddy.
Thank you.
Take care.
You have my contact information.
I do.
You have my card?
Yes, sir.
Anything I can do to help you out, you know I'm always there.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Thank you, guys.
How's it going?
Good, how you doing?
Okay, you playing?
Thank you.
How's it going, sir?
How are you?
Pretty good. How about yourself?
Very good.
What do you got going on?
Manufacturer of steel conduit,
Okay.
EMP, IMC, rigid. And we do strut, all-threaded rod. We're going to start with aluminum rigid conduit. We do color, EMP, IMC, and rigid. The difference is that it's powder coated.
Okay. So the aluminum's probably going to run a little bit more expensive? Or?
Pardon me?
The aluminum rigid conduit's going to be running a little bit more expensive?
It's a little bit more expensive.
Okay. I guess that's to replace the rigid conduit. A little bit less heavier, I guess you would say?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, those are comfort.
I'll be on the YouTube.
They come in a different.
Very good. Thanks for showing every booth.
I don't know if you want to hear stuff.
Yeah, sure. So you guys only, obviously, direct supplier to the distributor?
The electrical distributors, correct.
Colonial or whatever. Pillows.
Yeah, we got you covered. Yeah.
Thank you.
You're good to go. No less longer than your career.
I gotta get to your
Nip packs.
My dad said my career is going to
Nip experience.
I proved you wrong.
How are you? How's it going, sir? Great. What do you got going on?
Some of our new tools, our twin grip.
Oh.
So this is our twin grip, 5 different settings, which allows you to grip round, square, hex, and flat surfaces, just like a slip joint plier. We also have machined some gripping surfaces into the nose of the tool, which will allow you to get into tight spaces like control cabinets and engine blocks, and it'll break free tight fasteners and tighten down and torque down fasteners that you'd have challenging situations to get into.
So how much would these run you?
Probably retail 39.
Okay.
So, Knipex.
Yeah. And how about this? How much does this retail? 300, 400?
I would say probably close to 200.
Okay.
This is one of the smaller gauge cable cutters.
Yeah, I got the 300.
Yeah. But sharp German chrome vanadium hardened steel. It's a workhorse. It's a great tool.
Let's take a few of these
Sure.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's one of our newest tools.
That's awesome. Yeah, better than using lines and what's up. All right, buddy.
Well, good. Good luck. Have fun.
Thank you.
Thank you.
These are all insulated, huh?
Yes.
Up to 1,000 volts? Or?
Yes.
Okay.
And that's in.
They won't have it inside.
That's our whole listing of insulated tools.
Okay.
Insulated screwdrivers.
Cool. Thank you. It's strong. All right, thank you guys.
Thank you.
Pretty cool, Knipex. How's it going, sir? What do you got?
Cable tray?
Okay. Like data.
Yeah, data, power.
My marketing team.
So,
evidently they
there you go. Just do a video of everything so I can remember it.
So I'm a commercial electrician and we do residential on the side.
Okay.
Just trying to get on the YouTube, show everything what's going on here.
Nice.
I kind of film everything I do on the side. So.
Okay.
But obviously I don't have cable tray, but
Yeah,
I'll put it
okay.
on here anyway.
All right, bud. Appreciate it.
Have a good one.
Do you have a car?
How's it going, sir?
Good. How you doing?
Can't complain.
Yes. What focus are you? Resi or?
I do I'm a commercial electrician, but I do a lot of residential on the side.
Okay.
So I'm getting onto the YouTube and kind of film everything I do on the side.
Okay.
Post on when I get on. So come out today just to see what's going on. And
Are you familiar with our load center here? Our devices?
yeah, I do. Yeah, I love to use a lot of that. Anything new? Or?
So we got, I'm not sure what it is. We got a occupancy sensor downlight LED. So that's probably one of our newest cool thing. Very cost affordable for residential. Got a humidity sensor over here. So that's, nice. And then we also have the combo option to control the fan and light, home setting buttons, and then our USB receptacles over there.
So now for all this, do you have to like run a system for that?
So this you can actually, pop this faceplate off and then preset it in here, and then you can also go from the app and set it from the app. There is a sequence, I don't have it on me, but there's a sequence that you can, whatever you want, control different rooms. And then, as far as, so this is just all automatic sensors, but you can as well program that Facebook.
And what's something with the humidity sensor? What's that run in?
I should know that off the top of my head. I want to say around 25, 30. And then, I got some night lights here. So, little photo cell in here, so once it, lights are turned on, it would turn itself off. It's a panel.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I got a media.
Oh, this is for local.
Yeah.
We got the surge protector.
Got our load center over here.
Got it. That's what I was looking for.
And that's surge protector.
Pretty cool. And how much is the surge protector now? Online they're going for like around $250 for $300. So okay. I don't know what was for the level top. Yeah. What's up, sir? How you doing? How's it going? Playing that by yourself. Not bad.
Only one about 10
Yeah, well, yeah, that's right. You're coming around.
I know, I get it.
Got the level sound charging station.
His eyes. So you do a lot of.
automotive batteries, reserve power batteries, a lot of DC power where you would be using all your bus workers. So I saw it. I get most of our, I've always only ever ordered stuff from one company.
That's it. You know what's up? How you doing? Oh, you're not it. You having a good day?
Yeah, it's actually been pretty good.
Good. Got the drinks, pillows. Let's go. With the ground rod driver, right? Okay. Anything new or?
Not other than these inter-system bonding bridges that for each home has to have one, multifamily. You can tie in all your electricals, TV, internet, all that.
Not all stuff from you guys, or I'll be like through Colonial or Bellows.
Say it again.
I have to order everything from Bellows or Colonial or I can't direct.
Some of the local distributors, Bellows, Denny's.
Okay. Rumsey or whatever.
Yeah, Rumsey. Yeah,
okay.
We deal with all those guys.
Cool.
Yep.
Thank you.
Yep, sure.
It goes down the shoulder.
Got the different lamps. It's pretty cool actually. Bulk up the trailer.
This guy here needs to be about 6-8 inches away from it. Okay.
Emergency, power supply.
That sensor just screws right in. Oh, okay. That's awesome.
Retro kits. Flat panels. Too bright in there.
Did you guys coffee drinkers? Did you guys get these last time? No. Thank you. So those are really good for coffee.
Salisbury. VIP would be like 65.
Okay.
Paso.
You have to do whatever, what, 6 months?
6 months, but testing it's only $16.50. So as long as they pass, you don't have to buy another pair.
Okay.
Yeah, so you would send them in, you would get them recalibrated, and then they would be good for another 6 months.
And how about this?
Now that's rated up to 1,000 volts. This one's up to 7,500, Class O, Class 1. And this could be used in lieu of blankets.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, so you can get a roll of 25 feet, 30 feet. You can cut it into anything you want.
Okay.
It does not need to be retested. If you see a visual failure, just cut that section off.
Now where can I buy this stuff at?
From me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome.
100%. Take a sample.
Yeah.
Open some jars with it.
Yeah, no. Because everything I try to find on online, you can't find like a 10-inch piece or
Well, I mean,
a 20 by 20, let's say.
yeah, I mean, if you want a 2x3, we got you. And then, I mean, you can cut it in smaller things yourself. Or buy a whole roll. It's cost effective. It's way less expensive than blankets if you're not working anything on Class 1.
Okay, so you guys sell everything.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Good to know.
Shoot me an email.
Awesome, thank you.
You got it.
I'll take a pay for this way. I guess
Now, yeah, so this is going to show you just mostly the standards that we test to, ASTM, and then what all your classes would be.
Okay. Awesome, thank
And then here's a little literature on the electroliner.
Thank you.
You got it.
You have a good day.
You too.
So really what it is, it's a European version of this stuff.
Oh, it's steel tight, okay.
Yeah, so really anytime they use this, you can use this. It comes out of Europe, like I said.
Okay.
So we measure things a little bit differently. Instead of being 1/2 and 3/4 and 1 inch, for size 17 or 23 or 29.
Okay.
The fittings. So IP66, which is comparable to a NEMA 4 rating. And it literally cut the conduit, push it in, twist it, it's done just like that.
Can it come back off or
Yep.
no?
Little screwdriver in there, pop the clip out, and reuse it again over and over and over.
Now you can buy this by the foot or?
No, we actually sell by the coil, and it's 50-meter coil instead of, so it's 164 foot.
Okay. And how much does that run you?
Comparing it to liquid tight conduit, we're probably 10% more.
Okay.
So I don't know. 80 cents a foot.
Can this be direct burial?
No. Okay. We do not have a DB rating on it.
Okay.
They use it in Europe all the time, direct burial. We've got, you can see by here, we've probably got 40 different kinds of different recipes, and they're all application specific, so they're meant to go.
Okay.
We have stuff that's rated at 8 and 10 million reverse bends that they use on a robot dress. So we run the utilities along the side of the robot.
Yeah.
We have that.
Okay, for like industrial plants or like...
right, yeah, and this really is, it's all industrial.
Okay.
It doesn't...
No residential or anything?
No, you wouldn't use it for hooking up an air conditioner or a hot tub or anything like that. I mean, you could. We have some UL listed products. Most of our stuff is a component listing for underwriters.
Awesome. Well, thank you. Appreciate that.
All right, thank you.
There we go.
All made in the U.S.
U.S. made.
Yes, sir.
How's it going?
Good. Sight lighters, all made in Fresno, California.
Okay. And how much do they usually run you?
It depends on the wattage. We run from 50 watts to 400 watts, so anywhere from 200 to 600, depending on what size luminap package you want.
Okay. Sight lighting, what is this, under cabinet lighting or something? Or
what's that?
Under cabinet lighting?
Yeah, it could be. A lot of people use these in balances, coves.
Okay.
You can run up to 40 4-footers in a line with no driver. They got a magnet on the back, so it's you can use a conversion to strip lights, industrial lights, things like that.
Wow.
So we have the non-driver fixture, or we have external drivers. So this gives you more lumen packages to pick from.
Looks a little brighter.
Exactly. You can choose a lot of different lumens depending on your needs. So if you're replacing a VHO industrial, you can go way up in lumen output and
put 2 in each 4-foot section. So we make a lot of different retrofit kit options for facilities. So
it's awesome.
Yeah. So and we manufacture these in California. We get the extruded aluminum, we lay in the LEDs, crimp them all the way down, and give a 20-year warranty on the light bar and 10 on the driver. So
awesome.
So it's one of the few companies that are still truly manufacturing in the U.S.
That's awesome.
So you take one of those. What's the industrial, your electrical realm? Is that a news?
YouTube channel.
Oh, okay.
So everything I'm filming today will be on the channel.
Oh, good.
So I do commercial. I'm a commercial electrician. I do residential on the side.
Okay.
So everything I do on the side, I kind of record.
Do any parking lots or anything?
Our residential we do.
Okay.
Light poles, stuff like that. So we do use the LED guys.
Yeah.
And sometimes we have to retrofit some stuff.
See, that's where this fixture comes in handy. Like if you have this is a kinetic switch. You don't have to use any batteries or anything to turn it off. It's no battery, no power, just it's all kinetic energy. But this bracket, if you've got an existing pole, a lot of times the holes don't line up to the new one. So when you get this bracket, this mounts on the pole, and this goes in and adjusts to whatever hole configuration you have. Having this doesn't allow the bolts to drop down into the pole, and this won't drop down because you tether it to the top.
That's awesome.
It comes with a round or a square pole adapter, and once it's mounted on the pole, it slides down over the fixture. The fixture has another tether so that you don't need 2 people to wire it. The fixture hangs down by the pole, you wire it, and then slide it up and over the bracket, and it's done. So it makes for a one-person installation and saves a lot of time. You don't have to drill the pole. So
that's awesome. Well, thank you.
All right, thanks for stopping by.
Quick question: can I buy this from you, or
I usually put it through distribution.
Okay.
So where are you located?
Yeah.
I've got a small distributor in South Jersey called Service Lamp. Just give me a call. There's my card.
Okay.
And I can work with you real close with that. They're a little family distributor.
Awesome.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
How's it going?
Hey, how you doing?
Explain about yourself.
Not too bad, Joe. Dealing commercial, residential?
Do both.
Do a little bit of both?
I'm a commercial electrician. I do residential on the side.
I'm a lighting expert for Locust Electric. We rep Universal Douglas, Lotus, and I got a couple more booths further down this aisle, ICO, RDA, and Raytech. Universal Douglas, you probably know them for drivers and ballast. Okay. They also now do lighting fixtures. So this is stuff that's ships out of Tennessee. All manufactured except for the linear high base. This is all manufactured in Mexico, so it will qualify for TAA compliant. Okay. So the company being based in Tennessee, so it is strictly a U.S. product. But they have the ballast, they have the drivers, a slew of different lighting products, and then we have a different control. So we got Bluetooth controls if you wanted to, that'll feed back, and we've got different types of controllers. This is battery operated. This is one of the larger controls, a photocell option you can put into a linear high bay. And then I've got little tiny nodes like this that you can put onto a Type-C.
Okay.
If you wanted to, or wired it directly into a driver. So all sorts of different lighting solutions. Lotus LED lights is recess lighting.
Okay. And you still work with them?
So Lotus, they're a Vancouver-based manufacturer. Their distribution center, they have a factory distribution center in Hainsport, New Jersey, so it's a quick ship for us over this area. But high-end residential recess lighting. So you get a 5-year commercial warranty. On the residential side, everything comes with a 10-year warranty. Okay. All UL listed, all IC rated. Nothing ever gets discontinued. They are the originators of the LED waveform. First ones that put it out 13 years ago, and then everybody copied it off of them. You've got all sorts of anything from you can go down to a small 1-inch, little tiny disc light if you wanted to.
That's pretty cool. That's real cool, actually.
Up to an 8-inch commercial grade.
And how much do these little guys run you?
$60. Yeah.
Okay.
Come in a pack of 6 with a driver attached to it.
That's cool.
But you can feel, feel the difference between this and other manufacturers. It's solid metal.
Yeah.
Your diodes are, you've got regress where your LED diodes are down low. You do still make the
that's the ball.
Yeah.
Pretty good. Okay.
But your slip ceiling adapter where it's
that's
completely,
nice.
It's really nice. Metal clips. So you're not
Then for fitting in a junction box.
Yeah. You see the back of it?
Yeah.
Okay. That's awesome. Thank you. I really like this.
You like that too?
Yeah.
Check this out.
Okay.
Trim, so you can change this to square or round. Different insets for the inside.
That's awesome.
Yeah. And then they got, I'm sorry, go ahead.
Can I buy this from you, or has to go through like the Pillows or?
So you bind it through distributors. We're stocked with Colonial Bright Light. Probably going to be. We're stocked with Rittenhouse Electric, but they're going to be picking up even more. I'm the lighting rep, so you can come to me if you have questions, and I can help you out. I can get it quoted to you, put enough on there. You tell me which distributor you want to put it through. But again, it's a quick ship for you. This is all in Hainesport, New Jersey.
Okay.
So it's a very quick ship. And then this is their full catalog of everything. And then I would also recommend taking this, because this thing's just awesome. This gives you an overview of everything. And then the best part is down here, on the sizes for the cutouts and everything. So if you're working with a specific opening, you'll know where it fits in.
Awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Appreciate that.
No problem.
You have a good day.
You too, man.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Can't complain.
Look at that, walking around with a GoPro.
Yeah. On the YouTube.
Don't put it in my face. It'll break. It'll break.
You're not on there. You're good. I wasn't recording.
No, I'm just saying it'll break though.
Gotcha. You're all good. What do you do? You guys just, I'm a commercial electrician and a residential. I do residential on the side, but mostly commercial.
Nice.
Commercial work.
I do all large industrial.
Okay.
All right.
Take that as well.
Oh yeah. Sure.
Thank you. Just in case, you never know.
You never know. Start getting bigger.
Yeah, we'll see. I don't know about going into the industrial field. But
You never know.
yeah, it's true.
So a lot of big companies end up, start off small and grow. If you're in business, don't ever think you can't get big. So knock that mentality off. Today you don't do it.
Thank you, boss. You have a good day. Hello. How's it going?
It's going.
What you got going on?
Well, we're a testing lab. We test all the PPE.
Okay.
We also sell it, but mostly we calibrate.
Okay. And how much is the PPE go for? Like gloves or?
Testing wise, or?
Oh, so you guys don't test?
No, well, we sell too.
Okay.
But like Class O is like 85 for.
It's all low voltage or?
Yeah. Which I don't know. What do I do? 24 and 12 volt.
Under cabinet lighting or code lighting on the cabinet?
We can do some up to 800 lumens a foot now, so I didn't just about anything. We retrofit, you can retrofit droppers even with this stuff.
Good. That'd be cool. Mind if I take a book? Thank you.
That's the best way to do it, right? Walk around, do this.
the YouTube.
There you go.
Oh wow.
How's the show, man? Good? Different type of Rob? Different type. Nice to see everyone doing it.
You guys have a hand foot or something? Like this one?
You got a ticket if you want one.
Thank you. Thank you.
Well, you can.
Let's go. Can't complain. How about yourself? Was that can't complain? How about yourself? Just checking out.
What is that? That's pretty cool. Is that like a little video camera or something?
Yeah, this is a GoPro.
Oh, okay.
So you can mount it to a tripod.
That's easier to do it that way than go around with a phone.
Yeah, that way I can, plus it's better quality, and you can do a lot more with it, like editing and stuff like that.
All right.
There we go. How's it going? How you doing? Can't explain how about yourself? Good. Right on? Yeah, can't see. How you guys doing?
Good. What are you're
So I'm a commercial electrician that do residential on the side.
Oh, okay.
And then, all right. Starting the YouTube. So.
Oh, nice, nice.
So everything I do on the side, I kind of document and throw on the YouTube. So.
I love it. Yeah, that's great.
Not taking any orders. 6 months.
Glass lights.
If it's a certain amount of time, then you just can't take it forward. Yeah. We talked to Josh and John and everybody. There you go.
So we try to limit.
Yeah.
Because you know people, they put in 150 wide.
That's right. Yeah.
So we do a lot. And then we also have, it's not just Sal.
How's it going?
How you doing?
How's it going?
You take pictures?
Video, YouTube.
An industry affiliate. Now, what exactly is that?
Just so I'm a commercial electrician and residential on the side, and I'm just getting onto the YouTube side of things. So everything I do on the side, I just kind of document and try to get onto the YouTube. If that makes sense.
You're just taking videos of booths and shit?
Yeah, see what's going on here.
Is it going to be posted on the Expo site or just on your page?
That's a good question, actually. No, it's definitely. I'm not even part of the Expo at all. This is my own electrical routes on YouTube. So there's all from there. And it'll be posted on there. You guys have anything new or?
I don't have everything here because we're limited in some of the spaces, but
this is all for commercial, right?
Yes, the majority
not
is
industrial or anything.
No, you could use it in industrial too. It's not specific to it, but the majority of the work is commercial. You could do an industrial box protection for inside of electrical boxes that are in rated wall,
like hospitals and stuff.
Multi-family healthcare is one.
Okay.
Dorms, office building, anywhere you have rated walls and whatnot. That's just a pure sample of what it might look like just installed in the wall properly.
Okay.
So the other things, like pathways for low voltage or electrical cables running in and out of the wall or the floor. You don't have to worry about fire stopping. It's already ready to go. It's all self-contained.
Wow. That's nice.
We have all this stuff, mainly, like I said, we're limited in space, so
it's all good.
Try to put the more geared toward the electrical.
You guys got it, man.
Easy, Joe.
Done. Done. I got this in a double compression. I got one of these compression on both sides. So you go non-thread.
So this is our
no more thread and conduit, man. You don't want thread conduit.
So we'll take this to
this thing installs in 14 seconds versus
distributors,
14
engineers.
Okay. Yeah.
Showcase all
mind
the different
blown. Look at
products.
it. Bang, right? Mind blown. Look at that. Get that channel lock on there. All you're doing is
off
turning
some
the
of our
collar.
innovative new
No more
stuff.
spinning the conduit and all that nonsense.
cable.
13 seconds, 14 seconds.
Cable
Look, see?
tray.
Oh, yeah. I wasn't lying.
No,
Get rid of the pony. No more threads.
You got 2 inches up.
You're done.
That's a
You're
big
done.
deal.
This stuff here, you can get it reinstalled.
I know.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Can't complain. The white?
You can spray it for your phone screen and stuff.
Really?
Yeah, and that, gray piece, you wipe it off just to clean your phone, tablet, things like that.
How about my camera?
Yeah.
It's probably going to be about an 8% upside. Yeah, about 8%.
Okay.
But you're not going to run into a lot of the problems that it makes the pool.
Right,
so
right.
and you don't need your wire wagon.
Yeah, that's true.
And you don't need to lug all the,
And nice, easy, you're not pulling around the whole spool.
Right, so easy to pull, just like that.
Yeah, that's awesome. Thank you.
And then we do the same thing with the barrel here. Instead of getting a reel of 1,000 foot, you can get 2,500 feet into a barrel of MC. Pull right through.
Now there's this whole this whole setup you had to buy.
Well, you buy this once, and then you can do barrels of either MC, or we do this in up to 7 conductors of circuits.
Okay.
That are already laid in here. So it's a huge amount. If you're pulling a lot of cable, you should buy it this way. And then you can just wheel it wherever you want. And then the other thing is that you don't need a bunch of these. You can get away with one because you just, let's say you wanted to do a lot of cable at one time, you would wheel this here and lay it there. Wheel it here, get another barrel, wheel it. You can put them all next to each other, right?
Yeah.
And then we have these tripods that would have something like this on top of it, so that you can just pull with all the barrels next to each other and keep pulling all the cable.
Okay, you should still use the same one for like two barrels or
Yeah,
stuff.
two, three, or you can put a tripod on top of another one, which is this thing on top of a tripod that attaches to the barrel, and then you can just stand here in the middle and pull them from both of them.
Okay.
Real simple.
Wow.
Box in the back of the
Checking out everything.
and it grabs it together that way. This is the most important thing about these are cat stands. You're pulling off to the side when you're doing it, so you don't stand behind it. You do a lot of pulls, so do you know what I'm talking about, standing behind it?
Yeah, we have the green thing like that.
Yeah, and you usually stand behind it when you're tugging it, right?
Yeah.
Well,
yeah.
Well, now and it is a safety hazard in case one the rope can break, or I don't mean to be graphic. There was just a job site that happened about a year.
Then it's all wireless. Then you don't need the wire. So you have a choice. You can spend a lot of time fishing, wiring, blah, blah, blah.
This is a contractor telling me you need to clean out yourself.
Yeah, you're making a video of the expo?
I am. Well, not for the expo, but for myself.
Nice.
So, just showcasing everything what's going on, any new products or tools. So, you guys have anything new on the market? Or?
Yeah, this guy right here is brand new. It's a new Diva Smart. So it's got this touch and LED side glow bar. This wireless Pico remote will override it, so you can control your lights wirelessly. You can add a switch anywhere without running wire, without cutting holes. Yeah, so this is a killer product. It's an extension of our Caseta line, which is right here with all this smart stuff. So it comes with you got to get a bridge to have phone control. You can control this whole system right from your device. But yeah, this is basically an extension of it.
Well, how much does this run you? This whole setup?
So if you get the starter kit right here, this will go for it. It depends on where you buy it. But it comes with the in-wall dimmer, a wireless remote, the bridge that gives you all the phone.
Okay.
That runs for maybe about $100 or so, $90-some, depending on where you're getting it from.
Can you buy this on Amazon at all or no?
Yes, you can.
Okay.
Yeah, this one's not out on Amazon yet.
Okay.
But all the Caseta stuff is, all of our other controls, most of our other controls.
Awesome.
But yeah, it's
pretty sweet.
Yeah, cool product. It's a job saver and nice, easy aesthetic. It doesn't look smart, but it is, you know.
The old smart stuff is a little techy and modern. This guy here, everybody knows how to work that dimmer switch. And now you get all the capabilities of smart.
That's awesome.
You got a YouTube channel?
I do. So I'm a commercial electrician and I do residential on the side. And everything I do on the side, I just kind of document and try to get onto the YouTube.
Nice.
I'm just starting out.
What's the page called? Do you have
Electrical Round.
Electrical Round.
Electrical Round.
Nice.
So I'm just starting out. So I only have a few days out now. But,
cool. Check it out. It's a good idea.
I'm trying.
Yeah, get Lutron on there. #1 light control company in the world.
Okay, #1.
That's right.
Got it. We'll be on it. Have a good one.
You too. Good to see you, Rod. Good to see you. Long time.
Well, how's it going, sir?
Good, thanks.
What do you got going on? Lockout, tagout stuff?
Yeah, so Android familiar with us? Cable cleats. Cable cleats are going to really start to become a requirement in 2023. Standards bodies are starting to write the standards now for requiring them.
Okay.
So it's for short circuit 3-phase protection. Wiring dock, we're known for our wiring dock. Lockout, tagout, basket tray, printers and ID, crimpers, tape, electrical tape, cable ties, all that kind of stuff.
Cool. You guys have a
Yeah, sure. What do you do?
I'm a commercial electrician. I do residential on the side.
Okay, cool.
And then starting out the YouTube. Kind of showcase everything on the side.
Yeah, this is our VeriSafe. This is the world's first axis of voltage tester. If you've ever seen this. So the idea behind this is, let me turn it on. So the panel's hot right now. This is a demo box, so this is not part of it. But you have an indicator module, a cable back to the isolation module. Right now it's doing voltage indication, which is not uncommon. There are other devices on the market that do that. If I lose a phase, the phase drops out, it indicates that, right? But where this really separates itself is when you throw the disconnect to the panel. Normally you have to go suit up in PPE, do your live dead live test. This is a UL approved, NFPA 70E approved absence of voltage tester. So it's a true safety test device. Then you can push this button, in about 10 seconds it does the live dead live test for you.
Wow.
So it gives you a green indication it's safe to enter the panel. Here we have it all connected to an interlock and stuff, but it's called VeriSafe.
Yeah. VeriSafe.
Yep.
That's awesome. Thank you.
Yep, you're welcome.
Have a good day.
Said that before.
I mean, it's tough.
I didn't know. I just started with these guys actually.
How's it going? You don't have to be on that. On the YouTube. So, just showcasing everything that's going on. I'm a commercial electrician at a residential. Good day.
How you doing? You must have a question of insurance. What? You must have a question of insurance. Oh, yeah.
What's up, man? How are you been?
How's it going?
Good. Got any questions? Want one of those? There you go. Absolutely.
I thought it was business card. What do you got going on here?
So this is our, it's just an ideal bender, but they built this fixture out for it, so basically you don't have to use your foot pedal. It makes your 90s all consistent. We're with the American Conduit, we just make the conduit part, but there's an outfit that made this for us. You want to give it a shot?
No, you're okay.
Good?
Unless you want to.
Yeah, we can.
Nice.
That's it? Yeah, well, we know that.
Oh, man.
Things been good?
So that's it. It's got a roller on the backside. So it helps keep the backside of your 90s true, consistent. Put your foot there. You guys
Who's who? Yes, absolutely. I'm the only one left.
That's it.
Nice.
American conduit. It's called pulleys. Aluminum EMT.
Okay. Make your body on machine?
Yep, exactly. Right now, this is the first generation, so it's about $3,000.
Okay.
They're coming out with a cheaper model though that's less expensive. But this is set up, folds up just like a dolly, and it works for 3/4, 1 inch, and 1 1/4 inch.
Okay.
Once you've got your 1 1/4 inch set up on here, a lot easier. That's where the time saving is for this guy. Try to win a Yeti, write your info, or drop a card in there.
Relationships. Thank you.
Yep.
Have a good one.
I think they were just, we have a new collector. It's a metal, it's like a magnetic.
Yeah. So it also, so when you take it off the pallet, it turns on itself. So one guy can work it around the width is, I think it's like 34 inches, so it fits through every doorway. So it's just labor savings. How's it going? Good, man. How you doing? Fantastic. Good. Did you enter the, where'd my thing go? I haven't really enough on it. Something new? Yeah, so that's just a barrel full of MC. So if you have... What's the length? What's the minimum length they give you? So 12.2. We're just on 12.2. Yeah. So you can fit 2,750 feet in a barrel. So it just... Oh, does it come with it? No, we... And it's like the easiest way to pull a long way outside. So like schools and hospitals, and it's labor saving. You go through like MC, like just training. Eric might. How's it going? Can't complain? Oh, that's cool.
A good idea. You record what you want to.
It's on YouTube.
My blood levels were for cholesterol with all the fried chicken. How you doing?
This is an easier way from inside the reels? Is it an easier solution or?
Yes, this is a much easier. So let's say you have a lot of different conductors and you're using circuit cables like this. So now how many different wires we got here? 7 or 8? This is how easy you can pull it. Just like that.
Wow.
So you don't even need a tugger in most cases, and you can just keep pulling it over and this many conductors. And the nice thing with these is they will not, you know how like most people have like reels that they put back in their shops after they pull?
Yep.
And then half the time they fall and they break and the wire's off. This you can run over with a car, you can do whatever you want. And, you know, it might not look great, but it's still going to hold all the wire, it's still all usable.
How much does that run if it's like price-wise instead of like a spool?
It's per 1,000 foot.
So when they're reaching into switchgear, they can reach all the way into the back, and then no problem, no continuity from them. They can either use a standard ratchet or they use one of our insulated ratchets on the back end.
Yeah, I see all your tools are insulated.
That's what we do. Insulated, and that's it. So everybody's testing it for 1,000 AC or 1,500 is the test group. So that's 10 to 1 safety. Yeah. Yep. Sorry. It's good seeing you.
Anything I can show you? Ballast up off this guy.
Anything you want to show me? Okay. Now we got new high lumen lamps. Okay. We can do mogul or medium base, clear or frosted, up to essentially up to a 250 watt equal ballast bypass. Pretty bright. That's a 26 watt. So that's the lower
Man, I put it in my yard. It's pretty good. It's pretty good too. Yeah. It's not bright. It's only 400 lumens, 500.
They're kind of over there.
You get the hours out
We
of
have
it.
a new light over there
4 hours out of it.
that actually can.
Well,
it's
it'll
like
stay
a
on. It's
wall
only
bar.
motion. Like,
Actually, can turn flat.
Okay, yeah, the one that's pointing at us.
Excuse me.
I'm sorry.
That's okay, no problem. Stay where you're at. So this can angle.
Wow.
It's pretty slick. Or you can make it go flat.
Okay.
So you can get a different angle.
These are all our flat panels. Very neat.
Yeah, it's pretty slick.
What does that run at?
Yes, this is.
Where are you with?
Yes, this is a retrofit.
So you have to go through a distributor. You know, I don't know what they're. I would say probably $30, $40 maybe. And then it's this one. So this is the flat panel that just goes into a 2x2.
That's what I was curious about. Oh,
It just goes into a regular 2x2 frame, and you can actually put it right up in there.
So it's a retrofit.
It's a retrofit.
Nice.
Exactly. Yeah.
That's awesome.
So of course we have our stairwell light with the sensors on the bottom. We do a lot with this, our 4-foot. And our vapor tights we do a lot with. All of our floodlights come with 2 brackets, so it comes with a trunnion, or the smaller wattage comes, you know, where you can mount it to a box. The larger ones come with a slip fitter. Also comes with a photocell, so you can switch a photocell on or off. So really, every floodlight comes with everything you need. You know, you don't have to add anything else.
That's actually real nice.
Yeah, and you can't see it very easy, but you see it's an array of LEDs. It's not what we call cob, where it's a chip on board. It's a single chip or 2 chips. It's actually a nice array of LEDs. So
It's actually real nice.
So we have them a lot of different sizes.
Can we turn it on or no?
Selectable colors.
Nice. It's real nice. And this is solar powered?
Yeah, solar powered out. That's basically an outdoor light for
So you can't get
garage
power.
or something. Yeah. Then we have the string lights, you know, work for jobs.
Yeah, that's real nice.
50 feet. Larger one yet. And then this is for emergency. Our wall packs are now all selectable color and power. You know, of course, outdoor floodlights, outdoor parking lot lighting you can do.
Yeah.
Garage lights, you know, for in a parking garage. We also have this. This is a ceiling light, but we also have this in a parking garage lens also. And these are screw-in. This one, you know, these can angle, so you can get different, you know, for the people that just have a socket and they want a lot more light.
That's awesome.
And then we have our high bays. These are linear high bays and our other high bays.
What's this go up to, like 20 feet or 12 to 20 or 20 to 30?
I would at least 20 feet. I'm not sure exactly.
Okay.
but I've used them in 20 feet before.
Up to 20, okay.
Now this is a small one. We have different sizes, so but you can go higher than 20 feet too. Just we can do a layout for you. If you have something that's higher, we can do a layout for you and see what wattage we need to use.
Like a residential, or no? You guys don't do residential?
Yeah, we can do it. Yeah, yeah. But what we do is we do a computer layout, so that way, like especially.
So this is the new
So you put it right here. Then you can change your drive currents. So this is 500. We can actually change it to 800.
Everything you see on the table, just remember everything you see on the table.
And then once you change what you want, you say program. Did I hit it?
All the options are lots of
And it tells you it's programmed.
That's crazy. That's awesome.
And so then, you just wire it up and you've got your ballast that's already ready to go. Your driver.
Give or take, what would that run in for one of these?
40 bucks.
40 bucks, okay.
Yeah.
It's inexpensive.
Yeah. Then we have a work light, 2,500 lumens. Much brighter than a flashlight. 2 ports that you can plug things into, 1,000 watts each. And then on the back, we have a place for a cell phone to plug into. And you could actually hang this. So it's pretty bright. It's a really nice work light. Again, inexpensive. I don't know, maybe $50, less than 50.
Okay. That's awesome.
And then our sports lighter, so we can, for small ball fields. We have a selectable lumen output. This is a 500 watt, so this is a big one. Then we have a visor that goes on it. So that's cool. Yeah.
Awesome, thank you.
You're welcome.
Appreciate that.
Never mark the box, never mark the paper. It works. I know you guys start off with I'll do
These are kind of two tools. They work similar, but this one does just strictly outlets. It doesn't do lighting. But this also then do the outlet checking feature for you as well. So it's 2 tools in one. You get 2 green bands here. You've got it wired correctly. Now that's a 2-sided one, so it's got this one on the other side. Do you ever get asked for these adapter cords where someone needs to go from 50 to 30 or 30 to 20 and something like that? That's what those do. Travel trailers, food trucks, smaller size generators, that's where you can use those. How's it going? Good, how are you? Fine. What's going on with this one? If you go to a home and the breaker panel is not labeled, you have no idea. You can go to bedroom 2 with the power on. Right. So you plug this in and it starts chirping for you like a smoke detector. And then go to the panel and start clicking breakers and it stops until you got the breakers. Okay. How much does that run? About 35. Okay. This one is about 25. This one does lighting. Okay. This one doesn't because it needs to have the ground on it to do the outlet checking. Yep. But this one will do ceiling fans, can lights, and things like that. Okay. Thank you. You're welcome.
I love that.
Cover it up. We're taking it to 3M. So thanks to Colonial Electric.
How's it going? How are you? Can't complain. Anything new on the market, or what's that? Anything new on the market?
Anything new on the market?
Taking a video or a picture? Video.
So this right here is a connector for the PVC coated MC cable. As you can see, the installation in this catalog is going to show you that if you strip back the jacket and expose the armor, the patented design from Remke has stainless steel teeth that are embedded in the bushing. This comes from the shop process at assembly. As you tighten down this nut, those stainless steel teeth will start to compress, serving a full ground path on the exposed armor. From there, tighten the nut further, the process is done.
Awesome. Thank you. Thank you. Good day.
Nobody can do that.
How's it going, sir?
Hey, how are you, Joe?
Can't complain.
That makes life easy, huh?
Yeah, it's going to go on YouTube, so.
Oh, you're going to run it on YouTube?
Yeah. All the booths.
Do you do a lot of teachable moments? Is that you electrician or?
So I'm an electrician, do commercial and residential on the side.
Okay.
So I'm just trying to get onto YouTube, and there's something I do on the side. I kind of, products I use.
So from a YouTube perspective, you try and do information on YouTube?
Yeah, reviews, tips, tricks, reviews, good products. Everything I use is out in the field. I don't do mock-ups or anything like that.
Wow.
So,
could I demonstrate the Bridgeport Easy Lock for you?
Yeah.
Let's see if I can do it in one take, all right?
Yep.
Make a clear area.
I'm sure you don't get many trick-or-treaters. Yeah. Maybe your neighbors.
That's why you can go all the way out in the middle of nowhere, bro, so you're gonna see no kids. That's right. Take off. Works to stay away from Rory. That's what it is way bigger than connected.
Direct burial, concrete bedroom. Pseudo UV resistant, pseudo for direct burial, concrete basement. It's a great idea. It's been around for a long time.
It's amazing that I haven't come across it until like just now.
Lay this in the ground, man.
Hang on a second. So, in Canada, they run this cable all over the place. It's called Tech 90 cable, right? And the story, they service entrance, pool houses, boat houses, site lighting. You have service entrance, you come from the street transformer, you're in the ground, a little bit of slack, you come up into the bottom side of the meter socket, you got built-in expansion contraction. Again, UV resistant, pseudo for wet locations, concrete tight.
We use it for swimming pools though, but you have to have an insulated ground though. Do they make it with an insulated
You know
ground?
what though? You can't be using it for, you can't in a lot of jurisdictions be using it for tools. All right. Bridgeport's Easy Lock Snap-In connectors for MC cable, 38 ASP, 39 ASP, 74 ASP. 3 single-barrel double snap connectors taking a wide range of MC cable from healthcare facility to FMC conduit to traditional MC and also the newer MC all-purpose aluminum with the oversized bonding wire. Available in duplex. Let me show you how easy it is to install. Bridgeport's snap-in connector has 2 raised tabs, 4 tabs for cable entry for good secure bonding and grounding, and uniform support. Load the connector, the Bridgeport logo, and the UL bug. Identify where one of the two raised tabs are located. Insert one of the tabs inside the knockout and listen for that significant snap. To remove, and I'll face the camera. To remove, press one of the raised tabs. And then raise that tab back up. Oops, excuse me. And it's ready for installation.
Wow, that's
to
nice.
remove the connector, unscrew, inspect it, make sure it's good for reusability. Bridgeport's single barrel connectors are available in lock nut style and snap-in style.
I don't know what that is, but I want it.
Also duplex connectors
PVC coated MC. He sells the fitting.
are available with an abandonment plug for future use. Joe, thanks for coming to the Bridgeport Fittings booth.
Thank you. How's it going?
Good. So I got hole making over here with our fully articulating hydraulic head. So it rotates in any direction. And then once you have found where you want to do your hole making, you rotate the arms to where you have the greatest leverage. Dies are rated for 10 gauge stainless all the way through 2.5. Then you go to 12, 14, and 16 gauge through 4. These sets come with our award-winning replaceable tip step drills. Wow. So if the tip is copperized, you have it fixed right here for a fraction of the price of buying a whole new step drill. And it simply just snaps back into place. And once again, getting the full work life out of your step drill.
How much does the kit go for?
We don't do any pricing here. Okay. It's up to your distributor to do that. But this is, I mean, they have battery operated ones now that are over $2,000.
Right.
It'll be about half that for this hydraulic.
Right.
Then we go to gear. That's going to be about 20% more up in that range. Ratcheting, that's where your most economic version would have.
That's awesome.
Then we have our angle strut straps. So now you can get to that middle strap. You know, you can, in fact, even if you look at it here, where you have the common versus the angle, you can, I mean, there's no way to even get in there. Plus, you need two tools versus here.
But I love it.
You're in right there. No nut. The fastener is Phillips, flat, square, and hex. Universal for EMT or pipe.
That's awesome.
Thank you. Well, it's a smart way to do it. Plus, I go to many distributors throughout the country.
Turn into hybrid with this wireless bridge, wireless room controller, 0 to 10 volt dimming, ability to do contact outputs there for VAV integration or security integration, anything like that. Individual wireless fixture control through that device. Our new slim switches. So they can fit either just taped to a wall or fit in a box. We ship it with a ground wire. So if you got hot stuff in the box, you're good. Here's your wireless corner mount sensor, ceiling mount sensor, daylight sensor. Again, a couple more variations of the new switch. And finally, shade control. Again, this is all one system. This could all be single room or building wide or network or non-network. Again.
That's nice. What does a system like this run?
So it really depends on the fabric and the size of the window. That's the biggest determining factor. So, in this case, we're showing a sheer shade and a blackout shade.
So you need two.
So you know, you're just doing a meeting and a presentation, you know, in a conference room, but you want to cut down the glare, you drop the shear shade, but you want to do a presentation, you can drop the blackout.
Couple different houses and everything.
So we definitely do. Good to see you, man.
Yeah, we have a high-end residential brand called Vantage that's we put in a lot of newer home installs that are setting up the integrated shade system. So we have a brand for that, and there is, you would just throw one blackout on there, you don't need the shear. The shear's more for
conference rooms.
Yeah, conference rooms, you let a little bit of light in, controlling like energy efficiency sort of stuff is really helping you out a little bit more. Residential, just throw a blackout shade to block out the sun instead.
Cool. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Good one.
How's that going? How's it going?
Cool, man. Doing well, good stuff.
Can't complain. What you got going on?
So we're Turan Lighting, Ohio-based company. Been in business 43 years. Make about 2,000 products in our factory in Ohio. But yeah, it's aimed after more commercial, multifamily housing type customers.
Yep. Okay. Thank you.
Hey, man. We're in the Resi world.
Yeah.
We had issues.
So I came out the stickers, huh? That's okay.
You sure?
Yeah.
There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
I am a GI. I call myself
Oh, no, it's the same thing.
Yeah, we thought we were supposed to be over there.
So slow down.
That's okay. It's football. I don't bring it very
I'll say hello.
Okay, hi.
Hello.
Sorry.
Okay, do you want to be on camera or no?
No, I can be on camera.
Okay.
Hey,
Hello.
how's it going, everybody? So we're an electrical association for contractors, and we cover the entire state of Pennsylvania.
Okay.
What do you do?
I'm a residential electrician and commercial.
Okay, nice.
So I kind of work for commercial contractors,
Yep.
and then I do residential on the side.
Okay.
So then I had to start the YouTube up on the side as well.
Okay, awesome.
This is all for the YouTube.
That's awesome. Well, if you're interested in learning more about us, we have an apprenticeship program and offer continuing education and all of that kind of stuff. If you scan that QR code, it'll take you straight to our website.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Appreciate
Thanks
that.
for stopping by. Appreciate you.
You have a good one.
So, what is industry affiliate? What are you with?
I'm just from Vault or no?
No.
Okay.
No.
Looks just like the one from Vault.
Much better, right?
Okay.
So this is comes in 150, 300, same exact form factor. We built easier installation, so you got this is protruded out and angled for easy installation for the wiring. Door comes off. This is something that nobody has. This is a 6.1 kV surge protector. So what this allows for is protects the input as well as the light fixtures that were installed. It's an outdoor street light surge rated.
Okay.
So nobody has it. It's a $20 added to this product.
How much is this setup?
It depends where you're buying it from, but you're looking for the 150. You're looking probably like 230, roughly about that. So.
Good?
Cool. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, so I do a lot of landscape lighting and on the cabinet lighting. So
Yeah, so we don't do any of the light source, but we do the power supplies.
okay.
So we work with a lot of manufacturers, work with them as well. But if you need a 12 volt, 24 volt, this is something you can buy from the distributor.
Okay.
And they will have this in stock. And we have replacement drivers too.
Cool. Thank you.
So here's my card. If you want to try one of these landscape transformers out, let me know.
Yeah, 100%.
All right.
I'll be in touch.
All right. Have a good day, man.
You too. Let's go.
Yeah, that's my cousins. What are we here? 17? No, tonight. What are we here? 1 I mean, there's a car with that right
I think that kind of wraps up this trade show.